Hi, it's Fidget for Fitness. It's June 3rd. This is dinner. This is the third in my three-part series of almond crepes and what you could do with them. I made breakfast with these almond crepes. I made lunch, and now I'm making dinner. So dinner is going to be a quesadilla. So I'm just going to lay them down, and I hope this isn't too high. I am going to put some grated cheddar cheese. I fried up some turkey. This is turkey that is just turkey breast. I just put a little bit of spice on the turkey breast, which is just some garlic, salt, pepper, I think just a little bit of a hot spice. I'm going to put another one on top, maybe just a little bit more cheese. And just let it bake down like a quesadilla, other than I just made a hole in it. I'm just going to push that down and let it go. Probably make this in the microwave just as easily. And I am going to serve it. I don't have any sour cream, but I'm going to just serve it with some avocado, just a couple of slices of avocado. And we'll see how this does. I'm inventing this as I go along, but I have no doubts it's going to be good because turkey's good, avocado's good, and the almond crepes are good. So these almond crepes are really versatile. I made a wrap with them this morning, an egg burrito wrap. And for lunch I made a sandwich wrap, just basically mayo, mustard, salt, pepper, sliced turkey breast from the deli, and some American cheese. So there's a lot that can be done with these. Let me check and see if they're sticking, which they're not. So just let them go, let them melt, let them flip over, and should be great. Let's see if I can show you a close-up version. So that's what it looks like. Inside, delicious. So serve it with that, and that will be dinner. So tomorrow is day 40 and of being on Atkins for me, and I'm pretty excited about it. And so I'm going to give an update. It's usually my quick Friday update before my last chance workout for my weigh-in on Sunday. So have a great night and keep up the good work.